Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another video, and this time we'll be unboxing a laptop. Well, technically a notebook, but still in the category of laptops. And the product that we have here is called Proline Thinline. That's actually the name of this version that we have. So this is how it comes packaged. Just normal box, not too fancy. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. So within the box, you get the 14.1 inch laptop. Well, that's the screen size, by the way. And it comes with the power plug, and you just have the warranty card and the user manual. So let us unwrap. Well, we'll start with the charger. Like I said, I will put the description in the captions. So let us unbox. This is how the laptop is packaged in this foam-like plastic. So with all the paperwork aside, you have the charger and the laptop. Alright, for you to start using the laptop, you need to charge it fully first before you use it. As I've already opened it and I've charged it, we would just turn it on. And this is how it looks. This is how big the screen is, and this is the setup. Okay, this is the setup. For you to power it on from the instruction manual, they say you need to hold it down until you see the blue light. I don't know if you're gonna see blue, but it should be blue. So as I've used it for quite some time now, it seems, especially with the startup, seems to be quite fast. And of course, like I said, quite fast. It took like maybe 5 seconds, 5 to 7 seconds of uploading or reading up. And of course, once you start, you won't get this screen. You go through the welcome page and you setting up your account and all of that. So I need to enter my password, and I'll be right back when we're on the home page. Alright, I don't know if the video is going to concord with or cooperate with how beautiful the display is. So as I've already set up my accounts, well, my apps that I need, let's try audio testing. So I hope I still don't get copywritten, but this is the display, and again, I hope my camera does not take away from. So this is how loud it is. So this is both audio and visual testing. All right. So there we have the power cord, USB 3.0 and Mini HDMI port. And on the other side, we have space for the memory card the audio jack, and the USB 2.0. So that is all the ports that we get on this.